see me.
Yeah, police
I
can see you.
sit in the middle. She can sit here.
Yeah, you
That's
can see
not
in the middle.
appropriate. You know appropriate? This is not
Yeah.
right. Everybody have to sit in the right way.
Are you studying video?
Yeah. We gotta go to Walmart.
What's wrong with this?
Can we open the store?
Yeah, there's some in the sunroom. Opening door.
Why you want to go to Walmart? Why?
Get a new ball.
No, you don't need that.
What are we gonna do?
Nothing. We
Play
don't
basketball with
No.
nothing?
Only your bicycle.
And what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the video.
And what am I gonna do?
You follow me.
Uncle,
Huh?
didn't we say that to go play basketball?
Who?
Remember you said that?
Oh my goodness. Hmm? Okay.
So you said we can go to play basketball. Where are you going?
You said go to Walmart, right?
Which Walmart are you going?
Right there. What do you do, Ray?
I can see whatever.
What are you doing like that? Don't do like that.
Down, down.
4 o'clock.
So that means you come back at 8 o'clock, right?
No. 6.
2 hours? Maybe we come back at 6, never mind. Remember I said in the church, come back at 6 when it gets dark. Oh my god. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the trampoline park. Oh my god.
Look at that car.
Huh?
Look at that car.
Old car.
Tomorrow do we have school? Yeah, I know. Tomorrow do we? Show your face too.
Look at it like this.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit my neck. Stars.
Show your face. Uncle, did you bring a flip phone? Flip phone?
Yeah. No.
Give me.
Give me. Give me.
I don't have nothing to give you. Give me.
Give me. What is that for? What you give me this for? What? I don't need that one.
Yeah, you don't need it, but I need it for. Give me. I needed something. What?
Oh,
What was that text? He said, ah.
What are you doing?
Flip on.
No, babe.
Give me.
Give you what? No, babe. Please.
Give me, I just need to rub it. I just need to rub something put in my Snapchat. Give me.
Don't use that too much, okay?
Okay. Hi, Dexter. Set a timer for 1 minute. Never mind, I don't have internet. Can I use the internet?
set a timer for a minute.
Yes.
This guy too tall.
How tall was the guy we ate from? Where?
6'2". 6'3".
6'3"? So that means you're 5'1". That means you're 5'5". I'm 5'1".
You 5'1"?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
You measure? Ranger. Car Ranger.
Are we going to church?
This is your friend.
My friend keeps saying. That's me?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's you. When you go hang out with your friends, they say that.
It's like this.
Like this. They saw you.
It's like this guy.
Oh, they see you.
Police will see you.
Police will see you.
Popo, Popo, Popo. How long?
Alright guys, if you guys like our videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bells. Hit the notification bell. And if you like the video, like and share. Alright you guys, see you guys next video. Thank you guys. Have a good day.